Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another exciting English language learning adventure. Today, we're diving deep into a very useful verb, deliver. So, what does deliver mean? Well, simply put, it means to bring something to a particular place or person. Think about the postman who delivers your mail, or a company that delivers packages to your doorstep. It essentially means to bring or provide. Let's explore this further. We use deliver in many everyday situations. You can deliver a message, deliver goods, or even deliver a baby. Yes, that's right. Doctors and midwives deliver babies. Let's look at some synonyms for deliver. One common synonym is supply. For example, instead of saying the company delivers water to the village, we could say the company supplies water to the village. Another synonym is provide. Consider this. The school delivers a high-quality education can also be phrased as the school provides a high-quality education. Transport is another option, particularly when referring to physical items. The trucks deliver the goods to the store can become the trucks transport the goods to the store. We also have handover, useful when physically giving something to someone. Imagine he delivered the documents to the lawyer could be he handed over the documents to the lawyer. Another synonym is distribute, which works well when something is being given to multiple people. For example, the charity delivers food to the homeless could be the charity distributes food to the homeless. Now, let's look at some antonyms, words with opposite meanings. One antonym is receive. Instead of delivering a package, you might receive a package. For instance, I delivered the report to my boss contrasts with I received the report from my colleague. Another antonym is keep. If you deliver something, you are not keeping it. The pizza restaurant delivers hot meals is the opposite of I keep the pizza warm at home. Retain is also an antonym. If you deliver information, you are not retaining it. Example, she delivered the presentation perfectly, contrast with she couldn't retain all the information. Another antonym is withhold. If someone delivers assistance, they are not withholding it. Consider the aid agency delivered emergency supplies versus the government withheld the emergency supplies. Finally, hold is an antonym when thinking about physically passing something on. For example, the courier delivered the parcel is the opposite of the courier held the parcel. Now, let's look at how deliver is used in everyday life. You might say, I need to deliver this package before 5 p.m. Or, the restaurant delivers until 10 p.m. You can also use it in a more figurative sense, such as the politician delivered a powerful speech. Another common expression is deliver on a promise, meaning to fulfill a promise. For example, the company promised faster service, and they delivered on that promise. Here are some more example sentences and phrases. The mailman delivers letters every morning. Can you deliver this message to Sarah for me? The midwife delivered the baby safely. The speaker delivered an inspiring message to the students. The pizza was delivered right on time. He delivered a knockout punch in the final round. The company delivers excellent customer service. She failed to deliver on her promises. They delivered the goods as agreed. The doctor delivered the news with compassion. To recap, deliver means to bring or provide something. We looked at synonyms like supply, provide, transport, hand over, and distribute, and antonyms like receive, keep, retain, withhold, and hold. We also explored common usage in daily conversations and expressions. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful. Remember to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And now for your challenge. Create your own sentence using the word deliver and share it as a comment below the video. I can't wait to see what you come up with.